D37 90 Days Challenge Reflections. Today is day 37 of my 90-day challenge. Hi, my name is Felisa, coming live from Darwin, Australia today, and I want to share a quick reflection with you. This challenge is teaching me something powerful. Progress doesn't always look loud. Sometimes it looks like showing up even when you don't feel like it. I've learned that consistency beats motivations. Some days I am excited, some days I'm tired, but I still showing up. I'm becoming more confident. I am learning new skills. I'm building belief in myself. And the biggest reflections, I am proud of myself for not quitting. If you're not your own journey right now, whether it's business, health, or personal growth, I want to hear this. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to be consistent. Small steps every day create big results over time. Thank you for watching me and thank you for watching my replay, and God bless us, and I will see you again on my next live. Thank you everyone. Bye.